want to play ones that make noise.
I want to play one that doesn't. This one faded, did it not?
Oh, must
That
be a
one has
lucky
liquid
machine.
on it, don't sit there.
Ew.
I have to be guided. I want
I'm
to
glad
play.
you saw that.
I want to play either this one or this one.
I want to play one that makes noise.
This one has Afterglow in the tray. I'll start with a
Okay,
toy.
these 9.6 $1 Jackson Brother machines are located. Where are they located? Oh, they're right next.
They're right next to the high limit area.
The high limit area. The inside of which we
Okay,
shall
I'm
never
starting
see.
off with a Magic 20.
Magic 20, not a regular.
Okay, let's see if it makes noise. No,
It doesn't make a sound.
I prefer it that way. And it doesn't double up.
Do you want me to ding for you?
Oops.
And how big?
Oh, it does make noise.
You just can't hear it.
I hear it.
When do I get to play?
Well, you want one that makes noise that you can hear. This is not the machine for you.
I'll fish in my pocket for a lucky 20. It's not that lucky, it doesn't like it. This is the same one as last night, wouldn't take it.
I lost my $20.
It wasn't very lucky, was it?
No.
Alright, here we go. No sound.